Hello my friends and welcome to day 2. Today we are focusing on the neck, shoulders and upper back to help us release muscle tension, unblock any stagnant energy and supply our brain with fresh blood and fresh chi. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Imagine how different you would feel with more energy, mental clarity and relaxation every single day. Consider joining my membership site. You will get access to a brand new 30-day Qigong journey, plus exclusive members-only practices to build consistency and deepen your practice from the comfort of your home. Click below to begin your transformation today. Begin in a standing position. Take a moment to soften through your joints, open up through your hips, relax in through your lower back, keeping your spine nice and long and your shoulders relaxed. Draw your chin in to help you open through the back of the neck and mentally extend through the crown of the head. Allow your body to soften and relax. Keeping a good posture, begin rotating your body side to side. Bring your attention to your lower body and your core, generating the movement from this area. Begin to relax through your neck, shoulders, upper back. Allow your chest to collapse and relax into your abdomen. Allow your belly to relax and feel more open. Relax in your waist. Allow the body weight to sink down into your lower body, releasing all the tension from the upper body and your torso. As you begin to warm up, feel free to look behind. Avoid pushing or forcing the movement. A few more seconds. Begin to slow down the movement. From here, make your hands into loose fists. Breathe in as you lift your shoulders up. Exhale to release tension. Inhale and exhale. Feel the muscles contracting. Feel the muscles relaxing. It is important to stay engaged in your body, paying attention to all the physical sensations that are present right now. Explore how the tension feels as you shrug your shoulders, and experience the relaxation as you let them down. Then go ahead and rotate your shoulders to the back. Keep the movement slow and deliberate. Opening up through the upper chest, upper back. Improving circulation through the area. Then go ahead and change direction. One more time. Allow your shoulders to relax fully. Next, we're going to circle the arm. Become aware of your entire arm. Stay engaged with the muscles and connective tissues. One more time. Go ahead and change sides. If you have a good range of motion in your shoulder, keep your arm closer to the head. If there is any discomfort or pain, choose a range of motion that feels the most comfortable. One more time. Come back to center and return to the first hand, circling back and forward. Become aware of the entire area, all the way to your fingertips. As you raise your arm up, feel the lengthening of the muscles and connective tissues. As you move down, feel them relaxing. One more time. Switch to the other side. And one more time together. Allow your hands to relax to the side. Feel more space and awareness in your upper body, in the shoulders. And place both hands on your waist. We continue with neck mobility exercises. Flexion, extension. We want to pay attention and feel the muscles lengthening and contracting. One more time. Continue shoulder to shoulder or left and right. Keeping the back of the neck nice and long. The head is beautifully lifted towards the sky. Avoid any strain or force. Instead, feel the engagement. Feel the movement internally. Connecting your mind to the body.
One more time on each side. Come back to center. Then go ahead and tilt to the side as if you're being pulled by your ear upwards. Repeat on the other side. This is a beautiful stretch down the side of the neck, as long as you're not forcing too much. Stay relaxed in your shoulders, in your upper back, and simply connect and feel the lengthening and the relaxation of those muscles. One more time on each side. Return to center. From here, we're going to roll ahead, left to right. Keep your chin close to the body and turn from shoulder to shoulder. Feel free to introduce your breath. Inhale on one side and exhale on the other. And one more time together. Return to center. Relax your hands to the side. The next form is targeting the chest and the middle back, the thoracic spine. Inhale as you open up. Exhale as you move in, closing your chest, creating space between the shoulder blades. Breathe in as you expand. Exhale as you flex. Be mindful here not to overextend your neck. The movement is controlled, especially on the range of motion for the neck. This exercise is very beneficial for the respiratory system, for the health of the heart, the pericardium. So if you have any allergies, seasonal allergies, or you have problems with sinuses, this is a very good exercise to bring into your routine. One more time together. Inhale. Exhale forward. Then breathe in again as you stretch one more time. Exhale to release. Relax your body. Relax your chest. Take a moment to notice what changed, especially in the chest area. Maybe there is more space and less tension. Maybe you can breathe a little deeper. We're going to finish with a light body tapping to make sure we eliminate any muscle fatigue. Also good for stimulating acupressure points. So go ahead and knock on the back of the neck around the C7 area, targeting the muscles. This is beneficial for boosting blood and energy circulation to the head so we can feel sharper, make better decisions, be more productive. Then go ahead and release tension from the upper back and the shoulder. I like to do it with a light fist or an open palm. Then go ahead and tap under the shoulder, around the armpit area, opening the heart meridian for better circulation through the chest. And then repeat the same on the other side, knocking out all that tension from the upper back, front of the shoulder, upper chest. Acupressure points around the shoulder joint are beneficial for the shoulder joint health. Also, gallbladder meridian that crosses over the back of the shoulder can help to regulate blood pressure, make us feel calmer, a little bit more grounded. Well done. Shake it loose. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Lightly opening, expanding, gathering the chi. Exhale, bring it down. Allowing the body to relax. Allow your head, neck, and shoulders to relax. Drawing your hands to the lower belly. Focus your mind on your breath and a deep sense of relaxation in your body. Notice how you feel, and if you feel lighter and more grounded, you had a good practice. Thank you so much for practicing day 2. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.